Are you still guessing on service calls? You're wasting your time. Fix problems faster and eliminate callbacks. Say you're on a job for no carbonation. Customer is waiting. You're losing time. There's a better way. I use LAT Technician Pro App. You just select your equipment, choose the issue. In this case, we have fountain soda with no carbonation. You'll get step-by-step troubleshooting. No guessing, just decisions. Click yes for next step. Click no to fix the problem. Your problem's identified, fixed fast, no callbacks, no guesswork. Features you'll get with this app: workflows, checklists, Brix calculator, CO2 tools, service reports. Built by a real technician for real service calls. So start diagnosing faster today. Install LAT Technician Pro. Install on your phone or go to our website or scan the code.